prior, Formula One driver Lewis Hamilton swiped appropriate with Italian bike producer MV Agusta, and the two snared to make the constrained release Brutale Dragster RR Lewis Hamilton LH44. The Anglo-Italian sentiment revived for the current year, Hamilton requiring significant investment amid this current end of the week's Malaysian Grand Prix to uncover the much more constrained version MV Agusta F4 LH44. The association between the race driver and the shocking bicycle creator isn't fanciful. Daimler possesses the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 group Hamilton drives for, and furthermore claims a 25% stake in MV Agusta. Hamilton and MV Agusta's innovative group began with the 212-pole F4 RC, the repertoire Corsa race unit including 7 torque over the standard F4 while shedding 8 pounds. The designing division rushed on a SC project complete that swaps the trademark 4 channels for a solitary undersituate unit motivated by MV Agusta's world superbike contender. A mechanically movable Öhlins suspension in dark rather than the standard Öhlins gold graces front and back, USB Nix 30 tin-covered forks ahead, a TTX 36 stun toward the back. Hamilton dressed the bundle in reflexive sweet apple red, with a pearl white skeleton and matte dark accents including his Puma logo. Detail work incorporates the hustling style fuel tank top, an anodized, CNC machined wheel nut, and restrictive Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa tires with red striped sidewalls engraved with the red LH44 logo. MV Agusta takes note of the smoked windscreen is a first on one of its creation bicycles. Only 44 of these are up for bids, and at any rate ones as of now been sold well over the reputed retail cost of around €50,000. The exhibition above is likely the nearest you'll ever get to one.